your wealth, don't wait on it. Build your wealth, I stay on it. Turn my thoughts into revenue. Now my dreams look tangible. Build your wealth, don't wait on it. Build your wealth, I stay on it. Level up, yeah, we changing life. Boss mode on day and night.
Welcome to Build Your Wealth AI. I'm your AI guide. In every video, we will drop something new to help you use AI, grow your income, and level up. If you are new here, make sure you go back and watch video 1 and 2 first. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your avatar walk and talk. And I am going to show you exactly how to do it inside of Hicksville. Once your avatar can walk and talk, you are not just a creator anymore. You are a business. Okay. So the first thing we are going to do is make her walk. Open up Hicksville and upload your character image. Now, in the prompt box, you are going to describe the motion you want. I'm going to type something like woman walking confident down a city street. Smooth, natural movement. Now hit generate and watch what happens. Now remember, I'm just showing you how to make her walk, but this applies to any movement you want your character to do. So this is her walking. Now let me show you how to make her talk, because a walking and talking avatar, that is content that sells. It's the same image I used for the walking video, for the talking video. So all I did was say in here, she said, hey, what's up? How are you doing? And then I'm going to have her waving to the camera. Here you put whatever you want her to say, do at the same time. Keep in mind when you want her to talk, make sure you have the audio on, because if you don't, she's not going to speak. Here, if you want 12 seconds, 8 seconds, 4 seconds, you decide. The more seconds it is, the more credits it wastes. And it depending on the tool you're using, if you use Kling or C-Dance or Sora, it's more credit. I usually use the C-Dance Lite Pro because it's less credits. So for this one, we would use 8 seconds and we would use 10 credits. Play around to see which one you like the best. One of them give different outputs. Here's the result.
Hey, what's up? How are y'all doing?
This is how you get your avatar to walk and talk. Drop down below. I just did it.